What's up everyone, Phil Ebener here, and I'm super excited to be recording this new office studio tour. If you've been following me on social media, you may have seen me working on this a little bit over the past couple of months. It's my quarantine project, I guess. I got a little itch to put some work into this space and make it even nicer, something that I just am super excited about. And it actually all started with getting some photos printed. My good buddy, Will Carnahan, he's been printing out some photos, and he printed out some of my work that I've shot over the past couple years, because I thought that I just wanted to have some more of my own artwork up on my wall, and that inspired me to completely redo everything. So let's go walk around and I'll kind of walk you through the existing space. If you remember before, it's kind of hard to tell, but this was the corner where all of my desk was, and everything I did was over here. So you probably saw a lot of videos with me behind my desk, at my desk, over here. The photo wall where I had student photography, which a little bit sad to take down because that really did mean a lot. That was over here in this corner. So I moved my desk over here into the front of the space, which used to be just a workbench with like tools and stuff. I really cleaned up the space so that I have multiple options for filming. So this corner is kind of going to be my live streaming workspace. It's actually where I sit down and edit videos, record any sort of podcast, voiceover, screencast kind of videos. But it also, I kind of cleaned it up so that it could look nice for on-camera videos at my desk as well. I've got my mask collection up here. I've got a couple photos right here. And then the old Video School Online metal sign right there. And then working my way around, this is a photo I shot in Kailua, Hawaii on a vacation last year. This shelf, I'll come back to that in a second, but that just holds a couple mementos. Got my gear standing here, but the rest of it is kind of pretty clean. I installed these brand new cabinets. So I purchased those pre-built from Home Depot, which was pretty easy to install. I got these butcher block countertops that I think look really great. Put a little bit of ceiling on them so that they're protected. And I painted the back wall sort of a light gray. So that looks pretty nice. Over here, still same setup, except before you might have remembered that I had bikes on both sides of the TV. I got new bike racks, so all of our bikes can go in this corner, and they're much more condensed and take up less space. And so I've got the 3 bikes here that haven't been getting as much use. Got the bike trailer right here, which is getting a lot of use now. And then 3 racks ready to go when the kids get their first bikes. So super excited about that too. In the middle of the room, I got a brand new couch. So new couch, smaller footprint in the office, and a little bit nicer looking. So I can imagine actually filming some stuff here as well, especially if it's with other people. Whether it's my buddies Sam and Will doing live streams in our photo group, or just having other people here to have like conversational style videos. I think that would be really cool. And then behind me is another option for that kind of thing. This is a table that I actually built myself out of a countertop like those ones back there. And then I just got these hairpin legs. You can kind of see them right here, and attach them. And so it's a super solid table. Got new bar stools. So there's 3 right there, ready for Will and Sam, again, to come over and do some live streams, or whoever else. And again, another place that I can film. So I could sit here, I could work here with my laptop. This can be my backdrop. This can be my backdrop. So lots of options. Even this corner could be my backdrop. And one thing that I've noticed since I put everything together is that even just having the garage door open as my lighting is super nice. I don't know, something before maybe being back in that corner, the lighting and everything wasn't as nice with just having all the natural light from the garage door being opened. Now maybe pulling myself forward, I think it looks a lot better. Back to this shelf. This was, I had to cut one of the countertops just 6 inches or so to fit them back there. And so I made this little shelf out of it. So this has my Teach the Teacher Award from Udemy, my 1 million students on Udemy award or celebration, picture of the first baseball game with my boys. So yeah, super stoked about the space, super stoked about getting back into it with creating content. And and the floor. You probably didn't notice the floor before, but it used to be just concrete. It was all stained, and so I got this kind of epoxy shield kit that just cleaned it all up. So yeah, so that's it. Hopefully you enjoyed, and if you have any comments or questions, let me know. But I'll see you in a future video soon. Bye.